To set up and deploy feature flags using AWS AppConfig, start by logging into the AWS Management Console and navigating to AppConfig under the AWS Systems Manager suite. Once there, click on Applications and create a new application by giving it a meaningful name. Optionally, you can add a description to explain its purpose. After creating the application, proceed to the Configuration Profiles section. Within that application, select Feature Flags as the configuration source, and then provide a name for your profile. Give one proper name for the configuration profile, and optionally, you can give a description. Also, you can create multiple configuration profile and click on Create Configuration Profile to create it. It will create a profile under the application. Click Next button, and in the next screen, create a feature flag by specifying a name and a unique key. You can modify flag's state to either enabled or disabled, depending on whether you want the feature to be active or not. While creating flags, there will two options: basic and multivariant. As for now, I will go with basic flag, where I will get only Boolean values as true or false for my flag. You can refer official AWS configuration for more information. I will provide the link below in the description of this video. I can deploy this version, or I can just save as of now. Once after flag create, you can change state and save the version to capture this configuration. Next, go to the Environment section and create an environment by providing a name like development or production, along with an optional description. We can choose Role and Cloud Watch Alarm here to monitor this environment for the automatic rollout. I will make one more video regarding this comment below if it's required. Once the environment is ready, initiate a deployment by clicking Start Deployment. In the deployment configuration, select the configuration profile you created earlier and the version you saved. Then, choose a deployment strategy, such as all at once for an immediate rollout, or a canary deployment for a gradual release. We have 4 AWS predefined deployment strategies. And we have one more option to create our own deployment strategy by giving growth factor, deployment time, bake time. And we can choose that deployment strategy. For demo purpose, I will choose AWS test deployment strategy. Click Start Deployment, and the system will begin deploying your feature flags to the selected environment. You can monitor the progress in the deployment status section, where the deployment will proceed according to the selected strategy. Once the deployment is complete, your feature flags will be live in the environment, allowing you to enable or disable features dynamically without restarting or redeploying your application. This process is particularly useful for managing feature rollouts, performing A/B testing, and ensuring smooth application updates with minimal downtime. I have written a Terraform file to automate this. You can get that in my GitHub. I have provided the link below. You can fetch these flags using Application ID, Environment ID, and Configuration Profile ID. I have done the lab for the same, and you can get link in the description. Once the deployment completes, only the latest changes will be visible to the users. And we cannot do parallel deployment for 2 versions at a time. Only one completes, we can do the other. Comment below if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.